Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. In this video, today I'll show you 6 ways to fix iPhone Touch ID cannot be activated. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. When something is wrong on iPhone, factory restart is the most common and effective method. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or the older ones, hold the power and home buttons at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Method 2. Reset Touch ID. Try removing the older fingerprint and adding a new one. Step 1. Open Settings on iPhone and go to Touch ID and Passcode tab. Step 2. Enter your password. Step 3. Find your added fingerprint and swipe to remove it. Step 4. Reset Touch ID by adding a fingerprint again. Method 3. Toggle passcode off and on. Try to turn off passcode temporarily and turn it on later to see whether this fix works. Step 1. Click Settings. Touch ID and Passcode. Step 2. Select Turn Passcode Off, and confirm the order through inputting password. Step 3. After a few minutes, turn passcode on again. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the above 3 methods can fix unable to activate Touch ID, then you can try the TunesKit iOS repair with the following steps. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Into DFU mode. Follow the 3 steps to put your device into DFU mode. When the Next button is turned blue, then click it to the next step. Step 4. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the download button. If it is complete, tap the repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 5. Restore iPhone with iTunes. First, launch iTunes or Finder on computer, and connect iPhone to computer. Then, click on the little iPhone icon on the toolbar. You will see a menu on the left interface. Then, click on the Summary tab and select the Restore iPhone button option. It will automatically fix the iPhone Touch ID issue. Method 6. Reset all settings of iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings, General. Step 2. Click Reset. Step 3. Tap on Reset all settings.